Hello guys, welcome to Kweku Tech. Today is the final day of the Pycon Ghana 2022 and I would like to ask people whether their expectations for the programs were met. So I'll start with my brother here who is near me. Welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
So which day did you come here first?
Oh, yesterday.
Yesterday. So were your expectations for the program met?
Oh, my expectations were I wanted to meet a lot of young people who are also software developers using Python, and I think there my expectations were met. But also for me, you see, we are here in Africa. I think we have to work a lot to meet the standard that is outside there, Europe, US. So it's about raising our community, making sure that our community reaches that standard of all the software developers, all the engineers that we know. So we need to come together, and I'm very happy I'm here, and I wish this kind of event continues.
Thank you very much. Good day, bros. Today is the final day of Pycon Africa, Pycon Ghana. Were your expectations for the program met?
Yeah, absolutely. For example, today I got introduced to Python CLI. I've never really worked with it, but I think I have my interest kindled and I would like to look into it. So, expectations met. Yeah.
What about you?
Oh, everything went great. Yeah, the same one who learned something, I learned something from him too. I learned about IoT implementation. I learned about how do you call it, Prem server, and also cloud infrastructure server, whereby you have to automate your things and which service you have to use and which one will help, and which one is also customized for our environment.
So what will you tell people who weren't able to?
Hey, you missed a lot. Oh, the food alone.
The food alone. Hey, okay, another person. Please, can you have a time to talk with that? Were your expectations for the program met?
Yeah, actually, so basically, my expectation was to connect, meet new people, make friends, and also learn some new stuff. And when I came, I was able to I met a lot of people were very friendly, so I was able to connect and also learn some stuff like the BDD. I've been writing unit tests and other integration tests, but I've never done a behavior-driven test writing, so I kind of learned something, and I just got a new interest in IoT, which is Internet of Things. So basically, as you can see, I'm at the IoT stands learning more. So
What should you tell people who were not able to come to?
basically, next time they should make it an effort. I actually don't like going out. This is my first time coming to conference and all that, and I've really learned a lot, and I've really met. So they should try and make it an effort to go out. And then,
Next time you should make it an effort to come. This is one person from the community of the future. So your expectation from the for the program were they met as you come here to demonstrate your things that you've done?
For sure, why not? As we understand, we got a lot of people who came here and was like amazed. Wow, what's going on here? People didn't know about the emerging technologies, but because of our stand here today, a lot of people got to know about the emerging technologies and what they can do to it.
Okay, so what would you tell someone who was not able to come?
Oh wow, then that person really missed a lot. When I heard that person that God willing next year Python program will be coming on, that person should make sure he or she find him or herself right here also. Bye.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay. Please, good day.
Hi.
So I want to ask you a question, right?
Please no.
Your expectation for the program, were they met?
It's my first time in this program, but so far I've learned a lot, and it's tech. It's tech because lots of things are new to me. I am hoping to come in more.
So what will you tell someone who didn't come for the program?
You've missed a lot. You've missed a lot.
Okay. You've missed a lot, Tampa. Okay. Another lady. Okay. Were your expectation met?
Yes, it was.
What will you tell someone who didn't come for this program?
Yes, like everyone should try and participate in this Pycon Ghana because it's really a good program for you, and you get to meet a lot of people from different continents and stuff. Like it's really, yeah.
Please, I want to ask you a question.
Yeah.
So, were your expectation for the program met?
I think I witnessed the other one, which was Pycon Ghana. It was a bit bigger than this, but this is okay. It's Pycon Ghana, and I think the expectations were okay. This is my first time actually coming on Pycon Ghana, but then yeah, it's okay.
So what will you tell someone who was not able to?
Oh, they actually missed a lot. They actually missed a lot because I get to meet some people from other countries. I got to like link up with some other people. So yeah, they actually missed a lot. I think next time they should try and come around.
Okay, next time try and come along. Thank you very much. This has been another amazing episode. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. Peace.